customers ask us, are we at a tipping point for using AI and AI ops to help manage networks? The answer is decidedly yes. And the reason for that has to do, one, with the customer need, and the other is the maturity of the solutions. Typically we have seen customers experiment with AI to manage networks. They'll, maybe take a chance on a smaller vendor. But what's happening now is, because networks are so complex, the need to modernize, the lack of staff that's available to manage networks, organizations are now looking at AI ops and automation as a mainstream technology required for them to do their jobs. So we have the customer need, which takes them from an early adopter to sort of a mainstream personality. And now they're looking at AI much differently. They need to make sure they can trust AI. And that requires a huge data lake available to the AI models so that they can be trained to a high level of confidence that when they deliver a result, the organization can act on it. So that means not only a huge data lake that comes from a very large customer base, it also means that they're looking for mature solutions. There's a saying in our business, never use 1.0 in any technology. Well, that particularly applies to AI. You want to have solutions coming from a vendor that have been in the marketplace for a long time, that have been proven, that are multi-generational, that have been tuned for your particular environment. The next thing is, you want to see measurable results. And we're seeing over and over now customers reporting 50 to 75% reduction in troubleshooting time, massive reduction in help desk calls, all as a result of using AI solutions in the network that they can trust and that are really customized for their environment. So if you think about the role of artificial intelligence in managing a network, now is the time to do that, if you can find a solution that's backed by the right data lake and the right solutions that have been proven in the market.